Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
This is the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus, a phone that hasn't officially launched yet. The release date is set for August 21st, but today we're getting an early hands-on look. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Let's start with the unboxing. Inside the box, you'll first find a silicone black protective case, followed by a 90-watt power adapter with a Type A output. And of course, here's the star of the show, the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus itself, featuring a triple camera setup on the back. The back panel is made of fiberglass with a smooth matte finish that doesn't pick up fingerprints. The display is edge-to-edge, slightly curved, and the curvature continues seamlessly around the back, giving it a really premium feel. The phone itself is quite large, similar in size to the Turbo 4 Pro, but noticeably thinner, making it more comfortable in hand. Redmi claims this phone is built to withstand accidents in everyday life. I ran a few tests to see how it holds up. Dropping it from the sofa onto hard floor tiles, no problem. Slipping off the bed while charging, still fine. Sliding out of your pocket or taking a light knock while gaming, it survives easily. Even throwing it straight across the room didn't do any damage. Spills, accidentally poured a drink on it, still works. Even getting splashed in the shower didn't cause any harm. And here's something unique. Inside the box, Redmi also includes a multifunctional toolkit with a hammer and pocket knives. This time, it seems like they're really highlighting toughness. Of course, a detailed review with full performance tests will be out once the phone officially launches on August 21st. So what do you think of the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus? Does this durability impress you, or do you think it's just a gimmick? Drop your thoughts down in the comments.